Hello everyone, today we will talk about Python variables. In Python, a variable is a name that you assign to a value. Variables are used to store and manipulate data in your programs. Variable naming rules are: first one is variable names are case sensitive. Second one is variable names must start with the letter small or capital alphabets or an underscore followed by letters and numbers. Python keywords or reserved words cannot be used as variable names. Next point is variable assignment. You can assign a value to a variable using the equal to operator. For example, num equal to 10. In this way, you assign a value to variable. Next point is data types. Python is dynamically typed, which means you don't need to specify a variable data type explicitly. Python will determine the data type based on the assigned value. For example, variable 1 equal to 2. This is int data type. Variable 2 equal to 2.45. This is float data type. Variable 3 equal to hello. This is string data type. Variable 4 equal to true. This is boolean data type. Variable 5 is list data type. Variable 6 is tuple data type. And last, variable 7 is dictionary data type. And we define key value in dictionary. Next point is reassigning variables. You can change the value of a variable by assigning a new value to it. For example, my variable equal to 10. Now change the value of my variable equal to 30. Deleting variables. You can delete a variable using the del statement. For example, del and then variable name, my variable. Multiple assignment. Python allows you to assign multiple variables in a single line. For example, a, b, c equal to. So you can assign multiple values to multiple variables in single line. Thank you everyone. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel Microcode Library and hit the bell icon to get updates.